I'm Steele, and this is the look. You know the one? You've seen it everywhere, on your feed, at the coffee shop, on every girl who looks like she just got back from a week in Malibu. It's the Hailey Bieber clean girl. And here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not simple. It just looks that way, which is actually the whole point. So why is everyone doing this right now? Because we're all exhausted. The overlined lip era, the baked highlight, the full coverage Instagram filter face, that took work. This look is the antidote. It says, I woke up like this, I moisturize, I take care of myself, I don't try too hard, and I absolutely tried very hard to look this way. Hailey Bieber didn't invent the no makeup look. Rhode, her skincare line, built an entire aesthetic around one idea. Your skin should look like glazed ceramic, glowy, even, almost edible. And that single visual concept has filtered down into every corner of beauty culture right now. Here's what you're actually working with: a hydrating skincare base, a sheer or light coverage foundation, not full coverage, I'm serious, put the full coverage down, a concealer you use sparingly, a clear brow gel, a cream blush, and a lip combo, liner plus tint plus something glossy. That's it. Oh, and actually, wait, I should have said this first. Skincare. Skincare is the whole game here. Everything else is just enhancement. Start with your moisturizer. Something hydrating, not matte, not oil control, hydrating. Let it sink in. Don't skip this. I don't care what your skin type is, you're moisturizing today. Then SPF. Yes, I said it, because one of the big reasons the clean girl look works on Hailey is that her skin glows from the inside, and part of that is protecting it. Your choice. Just do it. Now, the secret step. This is where the look either works or it doesn't. You need something between skincare and foundation that gives you that wet, glazed finish. Rhode's Glazing Milk is the one everyone talks about, and yeah, it works. It's genuinely good. But honestly, okay, I was gonna say the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip is a good dupe, and it is, but actually, for pure glow, I keep coming back to a single pump of face oil mixed into your moisturizer. It's cheaper, and your skin looks unreal. Try that first. You can thank me later. Now your base. Take whatever foundation you have and mix it. Mix it with either that glazing milk or a drop of that face oil we just talked about. This is how you get a sheer, skin-like finish instead of that mask look. Apply it with your fingers or a damp sponge, not a brush. Fingers warm the product. You want it melted into your skin, not sitting on top of it. Don't cover your whole face with it. Just even it out. Let your actual skin show through. That's the look. Concealer. Here's where I see people lose the plot. Don't cover everything. A little under the inner corners of your eyes. The sides of your nose if you want. Between your brows, that little redness everyone has right there. Set lightly under the eyes if you crease, but please, please, don't powder your cheeks. You'll kill the glow. The whole look dies if you powder your cheeks. Okay, base is done. You've got the skin. Now, here's where I think a lot of tutorials skip ahead too fast. The brows and the cheeks. And that's actually where the magic happens. We're doing that next, and trust me, the cream blush situation alone is worth it. Come with me. Brows. I want to spend a second on this because there's a version of this look that gets the brows wrong and it ruins everything. Overgroomed, overfilled, pencil-sharp brows are not this look. This look has brows that look like they grew that way, just lifted, just alive. Get yourself a clear brow gel, literally any one. Boy Brow from Glossier is the one everyone mentions, and it's good. It's genuinely good. But I was going to tell you to run out and buy it right now, and actually, hold on. If you've got clear mascara sitting in a drawer, that works. I've tried it. It absolutely works. So don't buy anything yet. Take the spoolie and brush up, not out. Start at the base of each brow and push the hairs toward your forehead. Hold the shape for a few seconds. Let the gel set. That's the brow. That's all we're doing. I've seen tutorials say to fill in sparse spots. And, okay, yes, if you want to, a tiny bit of powder brow product, very light, very natural. But if you're going for pure Hailey, leave the brows alone. They don't need help. They just need direction. Okay, cream blush. This is, I'll just say it, this is probably the single most important product in the whole look. It changes everything. Pick a soft, warm pink or peachy rose. Nothing bright, nothing cool-toned. You want it to look like you just got some air, not like you painted your cheeks. Apply it with your fingers right to the apple of the cheek, then sweep gently upward toward the temple. The warmth of your fingers blends it perfectly. Don't overthink the placement. Smile, dot, blend. Now, and this is the part people skip, take just a little of that same blush and dust it lightly across the bridge of your nose. I know it sounds like a lot. It's not a lot. It just reads as, I was outside recently. Which is exactly what this whole look is going for. Faux freckles. Let's talk about this. I was absolutely going to say yes, do the freckles. They look amazing. And they do, on some people. On some skin tones and face shapes and, okay, here's my actual opinion. Faux freckles can look incredible, or they can look like you had a craft accident. There is very little middle ground. If you've got natural freckles, let them live. Highlight them. Do not cover them with base. That was a mistake in the skin prep step I should have caught earlier, actually. If your freckles come through your base, keep them. They're doing the work for you. If you don't have natural freckles and you want them, use a light, taupe brown brow pencil and make tiny, irregular dots across the nose. Irregular, not symmetrical. Nature is not symmetrical. Tap your finger over them to soften. Check your face in real light, not a ring light, not a filter. Natural light is the test. The skin should glow. The brows should look awake. The cheeks should look like you, just a warmer, dewier version of you. If anything looks like it's sitting on top of your skin, blend it down with your fingers. If the glow feels flat, add one more drop of that face oil to the high points of the cheeks. Okay, we've got the skin, the brows, the cheeks. One segment left, and it's the one everybody wants, the lips. The lip combo. Let's go. The lip. This is the thing. You can have perfect skin prep, beautiful brows, the most luminous cheeks in the world, and if the lip isn't right, the clean girl look doesn't land. And the reason most people get it wrong is they think it's just a gloss. It's not just a gloss, it's a system. Start with a liner, not to draw on your lips, to create shadow. Pick something one shade deeper than your natural lip, a soft mauve, a muted rose, a barely there brown pink. Apply it just inside your natural lip line. Inside, not outside. You're not overlining here. You're creating depth. Now blend it inward with your finger. Your lips look fuller without looking like you've done anything to them. This is the technique. Honestly, I went back and forth on whether to even mention the overlining option because so many tutorials push it. But for this specific look, inside the line, always. Layer 2, your lip tint or balm. Rhode's Peptide Lip Treatment is obviously the one. It's part of the whole brand language of this look. But any tinted balm with a warm, sheer color works. Press it in with your finger, don't swipe. Pressing gives you more pigment in the center, which is exactly what you want. Final layer, gloss. Center of the lips only. Just the middle. This is where the light catches and your lips look full and alive. I was going to say use the Fenty Gloss Balm. It's a classic. But honestly, I switched to the Jisoo Honey Lip Oil about 3 months ago and I'm not going back. It's so good. Either one, both work, just the center. Don't cover the whole lip with gloss, you'll lose the shape. Quick note on version 2, if glossy isn't your thing, same liner, same tint, but skip the gloss. Use your finger to press and blur the entire lip until the color looks stained into your skin, rather than apply it on top of it. It reads as effortless in a different way. More European, more off-duty model, less Malibu. Both are correct. Both are clean girl. Choose your version based on where you're going and how much you want your mouth to catch light. Okay, that's the look. Start to finish. Skin that glows, brows that breathe, cheeks that flush, lips that look like yours, just better. The whole thing took what, 15 minutes? Less, once you've done it a few times. And you did it with products you can actually afford, using a technique that actually makes sense. Here's the part I actually want you to remember. This look is popular right now because people are tired of performing their beauty. We spent years doing full coverage, contouring, dramatic everything, and it was exhausting. The clean girl look says, I take care of myself. I'm present. I'm not hiding behind product. Now yes, there's a whole conversation about how effortless beauty still takes effort. I'm not going to pretend that's not true, but the reason this aesthetic resonates is that it moves towards skin rather than away from it. And that's a shift worth understanding, whether you're wearing the look or not. If you want to go deeper on any part of this, The drugstore version, the specific products by skin type, the nighttime edition of this look? Leave me a comment and I'll build it out. Let me know which segment you're going back to watch again. This has been trending hard, the Hailey Bieber clean girl look. I'm VV Steele, and trust me, this trend is nowhere near over.
Brought to you by Inception Point AI. Subscribe, like, and comment for more.